April 16th, 2026. We had another upward continuation in the momentum today in the market. Daily chart on the NASDAQ. What is the volume telling you? What is the momentum telling you? If we see long opportunities throughout the day, we need to be hitting harder than normal. And if we see short opportunities, take those also. But if you're seeing long opportunities, you really want to be focusing and not missing those opportunities there. Let's go into the market and talk about what happened today. And we're going to go over, similar to what I did last time, we're just going to find the main alignment of the day, starting at the beginning of the market. And then if I have any side notes, I'll add them in, but we're just going to start with that. So main alignment, we just want the 30-minute MACD and the 15-minute MACD to be going in the same direction. That's what we want to find first. So the market opens right here. This is market open on a 1-minute chart. 2-minute chart is right here. So market opens. Is the 30-minute going in the right direction? Relative is going this direction, right? Is the 15 and the 30 going in the right direction? Are they going in sync? Are they going the same direction? Yes, they kind of are. Look, they're both at the market open. Literally, the first couple of minutes of the market, they're basically touching red. They're going in the red. So now we're looking for short opportunities, and we're looking for the 5-minute twins, the 5-minute regular hours and the 5-minute extended hours, to be going to the downside, to fall in line with these two. Start with the 30, go to the 15, wait for the 15 to align. Once those are two aligned, you go to the 5, and then you go to your execution time frame, maybe a 1-minute or a 2-minute chart, depending on what you do. So when does that happen? Let's see. These are aligned. Now we're waiting for the 5-minute twins to align to the downside. Well, this one's in the green, so that's not good yet. Still in the green. We need it to be in the red. Okay, now it's touching the red. This 5-minute twin is already in the red. And then the execution time frame on a 1-minute chart, we had a volume confluence on the right side of the momentum. That's it right there. That's the entry. And that was your win. Right there, that's your win. Enter a short position at the close of the candle. Let's see if we can find the next main alignment of the day. So we go forward. Now these are not going the same. Remember, we're looking for short opportunities right now, right? So now the 5-minute MACDs are going up. That's not aligned. We want those to be going down, right? So that's what we're looking for. We're waiting for that next situation. But if the 15 starts to flip to the upside, like right here, now all of a sudden, as long as the 5 minutes are aligned, we can take long trades. So does that happen? Is this to the upside now? These are strong to the upside. Let's go to the execution time frame on a 2-minute chart. What do we see? Yeah, look, this upward alignment, that's an alignment channel occurring right there. So there's the alignment channel. Very good. Very good. Also notice how the pre-market low acted as an early resistance. It consolidated and played with the pre-market low, penetrated up through previous day's high, and then boom, big move. It's always important to mark out the pre-market highs, pre-market lows, previous day high, previous day low, so that you can see how the price action plays around with those levels of liquidity. Let's look for the next major alignment of the day now that we discussed the second major alignment that happened. The next one was here. The 5 minutes started to pull back up to the upside. See how it's coming down? 5 minutes going down, 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 down. Now it starts to pull back up right here. See that? So this right here is another alignment channel. Very good. Very good. All right, now we're going to see what happens next. Do we have another major alignment of the day? 15-minute is now going down. That's not good. That means we don't want to take any long trades yet. We want to wait for short opportunities. That's what that means. So still working down. Look at the 15 minutes. Still working down. It's fighting, tapering back up. That's why I took some long trades here. But then boom. The 5-minute twins start to pull back down to the downside. The 15-minute has been working down for a long time. I knew this was going to happen. I went really large on these positions here because of the build up and just reading the price action intuition. So here is an alignment channel where there's many opportunities to take many trades within that alignment channel to the downside. And you know where to take the trades based on this execution time frame, MACD, whether it's a 1 minute or a 2 minute, you wait for the MACD to start aligning. That's when you enter the positions. You look for that alignment, or you look for a bar break. You look for a candle to break the previous candle in a clean bar break. Those are my favorite. And that was the final alignment window of the day, alignment channel, if you will. With all that being said, that was April 16th. I'll see you in the next one. Take care now.